ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a speaking practice using sports. Are you ready? Let's begin. I can play basketball. I like to play football. I like to play football. Football. I can play volleyball. I can play volleyball. Volleyball. I like to run. I like to run. Run. I can play baseball. I can play baseball. Baseball. I like to play golf. I like to play golf. Golf. I can play archery. I can play archery. Archery. I like to play boxing. I like to play boxing. Boxing. I love to ride bicycles. I love to ride bicycles. Bicycles. I can play badminton. I can play badminton. Badminton. I like to play bowling. I can play bowling. Bowling. I can play karate. I can play karate. Karate. I love to play table tennis. I love to play table tennis. Table tennis. I can do ballet. I can do ballet. Ballet. I can play dart. I can play dart. Dart. I like to skateboard. I like to skateboard. Skateboard. I can surf. I can surf. Surf. I love to swim. I love to swim. Swim. I can go horseback riding. I can go horseback riding. Horseback riding. I like play hockey. I like play hockey. Hockey. I can play tennis. I can play tennis. Tennis. I love to play fencing. I love to play fencing. Fencing. I can play chess. I can play chess. Chess. I can play judo. I can play judo. Judo. Thanks for listening.